Welcome to the eRecruit training video series. This is video number 2, creating a contact. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how to create a new contact. Once you log on to eRecruit, you will be brought to your dashboard. Before we begin building out a contact, let me show you a quick tip that I find fairly useful. This is the sidebar. This is where you'll gain easy access to any of the screens you've been on prior to the current screen. Think of it as your history. You'll notice once I click it, kind of minimizes it. And personally, I like to keep it this way. The widgets are bigger, I see a little bit more information on my screen, and I can always bring it back if I needed to. Now that's my personal preference. As like any other system, the more time you spend, you'll find ways to make it easier for you. So to begin, we're coming up here to the quick search bar. We're going to be looking for a manager by the name of Charlie. That search brought back 0 results. This menu next to our logo is actually called the logo menu. In eRecruit, hiring managers are called contacts. To create a new contact, we're going to go down to Add New and move right over to Contact. So we've got our Add New Contact screen. I'm going to plug in his first name, Charlie, and let's give him a last name of Brown. We're going to come up here and select our company. We're going to use the company by the name of Techie Tech. As I select Techie Tech, please note that the address will automatically populate with the default address for Techie Tech. Now you can always plug in a new address if you happen to work at a manufacturing plant or another office. The other thing is the contact source automatically fills in for client. Next we'll move over to the contact methods, and we're going to update his main phone number, his home with actually a cell phone number, and we'll do the same for his email. Next, we'll move over to title and give him a title of Director of Marketing. Next, we'll hit Save Contact. There'll be one more field we'll have to complete. Taking a closer look at the Contact Summary field, this is where you would store vital information pertaining to that hiring manager. You would most likely get this information during your initial intake call. You want to keep this information here in eRecruit so that you or any of your colleagues who work with this hiring manager will already have this information without asking about it every time a new requisition is opened up. Currently, we're storing this information on our hiring manager summaries outside of the tool. Going forward, we'll use eRecruit to house this type of information. As we transition over to the Contact Methods section of the screen, you can see all of the information we just entered in is now available. We have email, address, as well as phone numbers. These are hyperlinks, an easy way to contact your hiring manager. We now can save our contact. You can either do that by clicking Save Contact and stay on the contact page, or click Save and Close. That is how you create a new contact in eRecruit.